Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. I am Charity P, and today we are going to make this stew. It's garden egg and okra stew with lettuce, and I hope we are all going to enjoy it. Look at how it is. So let's get the job done. In preparing our okra stew, this is okra stew, garden egg and okra stew. These are the ingredients we need. I have here my salmon, or you can call it mackerel. I have snail from my snail farm. Then my okra and my cow skin, and then my cured fish, momoni. Then I have my onions, tomatoes, what is this? I've forgotten the name. Not my age. Then I have some carrots, and then chayote, and I have my grounded shrimps here. And these leaves, I don't know the name in English, but in our local language we called it goma. So if you know the name in English, I would love to know, so you leave it in the comment section whilst I continue learning. So these are the ingredients we are going to use, and let's get started. All right, so I have my pan on fire already, and this is my jomi. Yes, locally made. So now that they are married together, I'm adding my cubed tomato, the one we made the other time. This homemade tomato paste. I'm adding just 3 cubes. Then I'll give it a quick stir. Then I'm bringing in all the cube spices. This is my cubed garlic. This makes cooking very easy. You don't have to grind anything. My cubed ginger. My cubed onion. I love onions, so I'm putting it 4. My cubed pepper cubed. Then I have my green cubed. This consists of parsley and others. I'll be showing you a video about that soon. This one, you can't resist it too. So now what I'm going to do is I'm adding my stockfish. The Nigerians, where are you? Come and gather here. I love this stockfish. Oh. Where you there? Oh, make you not come. Oh. At this point, I'm adding my tomatoes. Give it a quick stir. At this point, even if you taste it, it's something else. Mama F, with all the twists in the world. So let's add our other ingredient. This is the herrings that I forgot to even mention the name. OH, don't mind me. I'm adding my cow skin. Again, the Nigerians. This is Marcus Peace Delight, so that's why I'm adding it. And this is a low budget garden egg and okra stew. Authentic Ghanaian. Village style. Now my blended shrimps. I'm now adding the fish. Give it a stir again so that everything will marry each other. I'm doing this thing halfway cooked because I'm bringing in another twist again. So I'm now pouring my garden eggs on top, which will be followed by my okra. I have my carrot. Oh, Mama F. And over here, I have my chayote. You guys know it because I've used it in juices and some other things on my channel. Yes, I'm going to use this too. So, my boma. If you like, you can cut it into pieces, but you need a variety. We are talking about healthy stuffs. So when it's big, it will help retain the nutritive value. So we are adding a little water. So if you like, you can add your seasoning cube. This is optional. For me, all the stuff, I'd already made it tasty already. Or you want us to add seasoning cube. At this point, I'm adding my chayote. If you want recipes about chayote, just visit my channel. You'll find out there. Estelle Family TV. You did there. Come, let's eat. Oh. Some may be asking, I've not added salt. You know, because of the cured fish, there's no need to add salt. My habanero pepper, and now I'm going to take it off the fire. This is so good. So at this point, I'm going to cover it. So this is the biodegradable bag. It's a cooking bag. It saves time. When you are cooking, you don't need to cook for a long time. If you are halfway through, then you put it into this and it will finish your cooking. So it's so good. If you want it, just go to my email, Charity Papu, then you let me know and then you can get yours. It is very good and it is also made from natural materials. So this is the cover. I use it to cover it. And voila, my cooking will be done, and then I'll show you. So again, lovelies, this is the biodegradable bag. which helps you to make your cooking easier. When you are cooking any stuff, you do it halfway through and put it in it, and then the hotness from the pan will do the cooking for you, and that hotness can stay for 3 days. You can also use it as a what? An ice chest or food chest. Yes, to keep your food warm, and it is environmental free. And so if you need it, I'm selling it. Just come for it using my email or my WhatsApp address. So we'll come back later and see how the result is. So lovelies, we are now back to our biodegradable cooking pots. You know, our garden egg and okra stew is still in here. Let's check it and see if it's done. I can still feel the hotness of this. So guys, see my biodegradable pot. You can feel the hotness all over. So now we are taking this out. Then you remove that. Ooh. This is not any ordinary garden eggs and okra stew. This is so healthy. Have you seen? Wow. Wow. Those who are going to eat this are really going to enjoy it. Come and take some. This is so delicious. It's colorful, yummy, and mouth-watering. And the aroma, it's so delicious. And I'm also tasting it here. And you can really take this with your iba, yeah, or any other carbohydrate dish of your choice. So I hope you are going to try this. And then you tell us, or you write in the comment section how it went, how tasty it was. This is the snail from my farm. Also in the soup. This soup here, it's super delicious. So guys, we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. Bye bye.